Hi guys! So ngayon, i-enumerate namin ang aming mga strict wedding rules.
Unang-una, our wedding, our rules.
Yes, kaya nga our wedding eh. Your wedding ba nakalagay? Your wedding. Kung ano po yung rules na sinet namin sa aming wedding, you should respect and abide to it accordingly.
Including the time and date, tsaka yung dress code, and etc. Number 2, if you're invited alone, attend alone.
May mga nakalagay naman po sa invitation kung may plus guest kayo. If hindi po kayo makakapunta mag-isa, please let us know if you'll bring a plus one. And sasabihin din namin sa inyo if pwede pa kayong magdagdag.
Isipin nyo yung bawat tao na atin sa wedding, may bayad.
Unless willing kayong bayaran yung seat or yung pagkain ng plus guest na dadalhin nyo at pinayagan naman namin kayong dalhin sila, go lang.
Number 3, do not make decisions for us.
Kung meron man pong may karapatan na magdesisyon sa kasal namin ni Patrick, kaming dalawa lang po yun. Kaya uunahan na po namin kayo kung meron man po dyan na gustong magsabi sa amin na, ay, ito, imbitahin mo tong kamag-anak mo na to. Ito, gawin mo ninang to, ninong to. Ito, kunin mong catering. Ito, ang kunin mong coordinator. I'm sorry po, but no. Next is do not make big announcement without letting us know. Given naman na yan. We will be happy to be a part of, for example, a proposal, but please let us know first. Yeah. Next is you may take a photo or video of us during the ceremony, but please be mindful of our own videographers and photographers.
Huwag po kayong haharang-harang sa kanila so they can do their part properly.
Kayo po ay guests namin, okay? So we will appreciate if you won't ruin our wedding photos just because you want to take your own.
Only our kids and the kids invited are allowed in the ceremony.
No question asked, basta bawal po magdala ng babies or toddler. Papalabasin po kayo ng coordinator namin. Next,
Follow the dress code strictly.
nakalagay po sa invitations ang theme na susuotin at ang dress code. Kasama na po doon ang don't wear white. The only one who should be wearing white is the bride, ha? Oh, next!
Respect the call time po, dapat nandun din po kayo sa ceremony, wag lang po sa reception, ha?
Don't be late. Next, we will appreciate gifts, but monetary gifts are encouraged.
Para po hindi magkapare-pareho ng regalo kasi sayang na rin.
Sa mga nagsasabi po na mukha po kaming pera, wala po kaming pake. Charis! Yeah, pero honestly, mas ideal po talaga sa amin ang monetary gift.
Kahit po magkano pa yan, we will appreciate po with all our hearts.
Next,
Bawal ang KJ, pagka inaya kang sumali sa games, hindi ka pwedeng tumanggi, ha? Ha? Bawal KJ!
lastly is bawal po ang eat and run. Please, wag niyo po ipakita doon na PG kayo. Ang pinunta niyo po doon ay kami, hindi pagkain, ha? We will make sure that you'll enjoy the whole wedding, so we will appreciate if you stay until the end. Bye!